Alright, so after riding for such a long time, peacefully I rode without vlogging. I think vlogging is somewhere I personally feel it's quite distracting, honestly. Without vlogging, you can, I think if you want to enjoy riding, you have to take out and then ride. That will actually make more sense. With that, what we're gonna do is, I don't know, suddenly I felt like eating omelette and eating Maggie. So this place, they make a lot of those things, alright. So I'm gonna stop somewhere and grab a Maggie and an omelette. So I'll ride for some time. Probably while coming back I'll pick that up. That is the plan. देख लेंगे. Sprocket setup is beautiful, but you will definitely miss that Revy engine character of the KTMs. That is 100% sure. That sharpness or that crazy revving sort of characters, right? That you will definitely miss after you change this. It will become more relaxed, more more linear sort of revving, and that is something which is very, 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 very important. That thing that you need to know. And the dynamics won't change much, but people who like to push, redline it, and of course, right, see, you will always have that sort of complaint saying ki like, how can you ride, man, they're riding at like 35-40 speed, man. Like seriously, I can't even cycle from my house to the down road. Their fitness levels will be like 100 times more than us. So yeah, coming back, you're gonna miss both things as well, right? People who love to push, and motorcycles cannot have both sort of characters, right? Pushing it to the absolute limit, or even for that matter, doing things like just checking it and cruising so easily. Yeah, you have to compromise on anything, but I am a person who doesn't like to push too much on a motorcycle that is not capable. So instead I would definitely take it in a way that it is more linear and little torquier to ride as well, which I thoroughly enjoy doing in my own way. Nandi Hills has become so peaceful. I'll tell you why. Saturday, Sundays they have closed the door. They're not letting in, or else traffic will be till here. People will just make a mess out of it, man. We used to ride so much on these roads. Bangalore, they're making really difficult to even ride motorcycles anywhere. Fucking we pay so much taxes. Highest tax paid state or city is Bangalore. State Karnataka, of course. I don't know how different it is with different districts, but definitely Bangalore is at the top of the line, paying a lot of taxes. And still we don't get good roads, and bloody what all roads they have, they've started to do these things as well. And I was hearing a rumor saying ki like, what is that called, this thing, the Mysore road that's gonna happen, Mysore Express Highway, people were saying that two-wheelers won't be allowed. A lot of mistake happened because of cars. I myself being a rider, I will be 100 times more cautious when I ride motorcycles versus riding cars. Cars though, I will just go randomly, I won't even think twice, because for me, I don't think that's much riskier to ride. But on the other side, I won't even hesitate. I will go fast, I'll go slow, and I won't keep up the pace that I want to ride in. Let's see. So I stopped here to eat Maggie and omelette, so let me go eat and then I'll catch you up in a minute or two. Yeah. Alright, so done eating, full batting. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದಾಗೆ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಕ್ way too much, which was difficult for me to eat, but somehow managed to put inside my tummy. So nice place, but 110 they took. I don't know how much is what rate. So there was a nice good quantity of Maggi, and of course omelets are always my favorites. Omelets and tala, I mean any egg for that matter. So this is the place name is called Kushal Tiffin Center. Let's roll. It's too sunny, man. 8:30. I usually go back soon, just because I told you now, when I don't have 6 hour, never ever feel like going home at all. So that's what I was saying today morning. So there's not much to show, folks. So I hope you enjoyed this content vlog and everything. I'm very sure the audio will be perfect and spot on. I don't know what's happening with 6 hours. Is it mic issue, or I have no clue or whatsoever. Hopefully that thing will be solved very soon as well. I'm working on it. Do let me know in the comment section if you have more info around this. Would be more than happy to take you guys feedback and then take it up from there. Wow, piece of shit on the road. I was watching news yesterday. Some guy like this, okay, he comes from the opposite side. The guy is going in this way. It's a single lane road. There is, there is a truck coming from the other side. Because of the opposite guy, he is talking on a phone. He comes and hits this guy, and he loses his balance, and he falls towards the right. Immediately a lorry goes on his right hand itself, the entire shoulder, until then it just got cut. These sort of irritating people are there on road. I mean, I really feel bad for people who don't do any mistake but still end up getting a lot of pain in their body. It's so bad, man. Alright, so do not want to disappoint with too many things or give gyan from Rakshit's side. So folks, I hope you like this video. Please do consider hitting the subscribe button, like the video, share and comment. I see a really good response. Every video that I put is trending about 200 to 300 views, which is fair enough in YouTube scale. What I understand, 10 to 20% views are always there. We'll also try to scale as soon as possible once time clicks in. And I'm just wanted to say, like most of the YouTubers say, right, less than 20% of people is only who are subscribed is going to watch the videos. But other folks who is not subscribed, please do subscribe if you like my content. If you don't like, that is still alright as well. No worries. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching the video, guys. We'll see you in another vlog, another content, another travel story. We'll see where we will get there. And there's a ZX-10R on the right hand side signal there. See if you can spot that. He is hidden because of the exhaust, I guess. Yes, as usual. See you folks. Have a good one.